That's so trippy. Okay, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. I'm very dizzy. So Jackie's not having a fag. Welcome. This guy. 20 seconds. Don't run round me. 20 seconds in and he's already dropped his guts. But what we're going to do now is we've got a wrap for you. We've got a vandalised Ford Fiesta ST, which is just there. We've got some wrapping to do on that. Somebody basically keyed it. We'll show you some of the damage. He has tried to wet sand it as much as he can. The damage was a lot worse than it actually is now. But he's polished it a little bit as well. So we're going to have to remove that polish because, you know, you should be putting wrap on just bare paint without it protected. You just have to remove all the waxes and stuff off it, otherwise it don't stick very well. So that's going to be fun. We're going to strip it down. We're going to wrap it in a carbon fibre bonnet and a carbon fibre roof. So that's going to be enjoyable. And Jackie's going to help. Yay. So usually we don't really record a lot of the wraps, do we? Like we did that Corsica roof and all that sort of stuff and the grills. We don't really record them, but at the minute we are picking the camera up for a lot of the jobs we don't necessarily do, which is so much better really because it gives you guys a lot more content. You can see how much this place has actually changed as well since we first got it. There is tools everywhere, but yes, seats. But we've like expanding ourselves, which is great, isn't it, Jack?
Yes.
Yes. So I know it's good. Yeah. So you can actually see where we're recording now. But yeah, it's so good that you guys keep coming up for work. We do sincerely appreciate it. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button down below. Make sure your bell icon is on. We're uploading every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 5 PM. Also, merch in description. We've got t-shirts, sun strips and stickers if you want to buy any as well. So we will be working some more on the 350 soon. We're going to be doing something on Jack's car very soon as well. So stay tuned for that. And yes, we are. We spoke about it yesterday.
I forgot.
This guy.
Wait. Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, I'll speak to you later. So without further ado, let's get this ST in and let's start wrapping. We haven't shown you the damage on this Fiesta yet. We're going to do that now. We mentioned that the guy obviously wet sanded it a little bit and you can tell now it's not rained. It's got a lot of polish all over the car which will go around. Now wrap will cover scratches and stuff to an extent, but you can sometimes still see things underneath. It's not always necessarily just about smoothing it all out. Some things you can see. Some wraps are very, very thin that you can see minor little imperfections in the paint on as well, like stone chips and stuff like that. But we'll turn this around now and we'll show you the damage that was done by, obviously, the vandalism. Here we have the bonnet. Oh dear. You can see, obviously, in the light, all the scratches from where he's wet sanded it, but you can see the main culprits around here, running all the way down. Literally somebody didn't like this car or they just decided to vandalise it, which is very, very sad. I don't understand why people do it because people take pride in the cars. It's not nice at all to come out and see this on your car. They've done all the way down the sides as well. You can see it right here. It's very, very sad. You can see all the polish where he's tried to polish it all back up, but obviously it's left bits on. He's come to this solution because a repair shop to paint it is a lot more money to fix it than to wrap it. Here, look, you can see all the bits of polish on the car. Again, scratches all over the roof. Exact same thing. Somebody has literally just gone over it with a key and not gave basically a damn, which is very, very sad. Very sad. So if you are watching these videos and you are thinking about vandalising somebody's car, please don't. Please don't. Somebody's worked hard for that. No matter what car it is, it doesn't matter whether it's a Lamborghini or a Ford or a Vauxhall or whatever it is, somebody has worked very hard for that, and it's not very nice to come out and see your pride and joy scratched up like that for no reason whatsoever. His insurance as well on this was way more excess than paying to have it wrapped. So this is why he's having it wrapped. We're going to help him out a little bit and see what we can do. So without further ado, let's do a montage of wrapping this bonnet. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage there. We're going to show you the bonnet now and show you how good that's come up. You can't even tell that this car was vandalised and scratched. It's come up really, really nice. We always go the extra mile as well. As you see, we clean the washer jets and put them back in because they had polish on them. And we're going to do the same obviously with the roof. We are going to probably clean this car for him completely as well. Make it look all nice and fresh. Have him a little surprise when he comes and picks it up, because again, it is gutting when somebody does something to your car. So yeah, we will obviously, if we can help somebody out, we'll try and help somebody out. But let's show you this bonnet. Right here, turn that light down a little bit. You can see the bonnet sitting all nice, flat and pretty. If you look around here, you can't see any marks on the bonnet from where it was scratched at all. If we go right up close, there's none. The actual carbon fibre bonnet as well matches the car quite a lot with the dark blue, which I was actually quite surprised at, to be fair. But yeah, it's looking really, really nice, sitting really nice, covers up the damage that was done by somebody else. Now it's time to move on to the roof. So roof is now complete. You can only see one tiny scratch in the roof a little bit. It is a little visible, but that was so deep you can't do anything with it. But the results speak for themselves really. You tell me where it is, you will not find it. You will not find it. But the bonnet is also nice as well, all done. It actually feels really nice and looks really nice. We just got the area to put back in. We're now going to go over the car quickly, clean it up a little bit, ready for this guy. We're going to get all of his polish off of his black trims because we're nice like that. And yeah, it's one of the things where it's really, really sad. I know I keep saying it, but I keep thinking that if I came out and my car had obviously been touched or something else like that, or somebody else that I know, and somebody damaged it, I would be absolutely gutted. It's not the nicest thing to come out to at all. So, without further ado, we're going to clean these trims up and see you guys very soon. So, scrap that last clip. We're not going to actually be cleaning this up tonight because we just realised it's 20 to 1 in the morning. So, we've just done a quick sun strip, which you requested as well. Roof's done, bonnet's done, and we will see you guys in 2 seconds. That was a terrible click.
Very feminine.
Wait. So we cleaned the car, as you just saw. Hope you enjoyed that little cleaning montage. The Fiesta is now done. Again, it's a shame that somebody did vandalise it, but the wrappers covered it quite well. Like I said, there's only one bit that you can see, well, that we can see. You may not be able to see it on camera when I've shown you, but it is there, so see if you can spot it. But what we're going to do is just quickly walk around it and show you. If there's a bit of wind, do apologise. Curtis's camera don't have an external microphone port, so we're going to go over and just show you over it now. I'm not sure where the microphone is, so hopefully you guys aren't getting winded. But as you can see here, that wind is so bad. Let's look down here. Pretty much the whole thing is done. Again, I'm going to keep this really short and sweet because of the wind. It's just starting to pick up here. So yeah, it's really good, and we'll go back inside and talk a little bit more and get out of this wind. So with that Fiesta being done, as we mentioned, we do a lot of wraps, we do a lot of mechanics, we do MOT repairs, we do pretty much anything. So if you guys do want anything, message us on Instagram, which pops up on the screen. Also message us on Facebook, link is in the description. We'll look after you and sort out whatever you need doing. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're young and you watch these videos and you're thinking of vandalising somebody's car, or even if you're thinking of vandalising somebody's car anyway, just don't do it, because that's somebody's pride and joy. You won't like it if somebody came out and did it to you. So yeah, it's a shame, but yeah, peace.